This next sample is the grading sample, and you'll need one of your plain seams again, backstitching at both ends, and your 5/8 seam allowance. So grading is also known as blending, layering, or beveling, and it's cutting the seam allowance to different widths. This is used a lot when we have multiple seam allowances, maybe up to 4. The seam allowance, which is closest to the garment, should be cut the widest. So I like you to write on your paper, widest to the world. That helps remind you that the widest seam allowance will be on the world side. So the first thing I do is trim them. To me, that's a little easier than doing them separate. So we're going to treat it just like the trimming one and take off 3/8, leaving on a 1/4 inch, but don't do it all the way up so you can see your original 5/8 seam. Now you would determine, if this was a real garment you were sewing on, which one was the outer garment, which one was the facing or inside, and the one that's the outside would be left the 1/4 inch. But the inside one, you're now going to take your scissors and put them inside the seam allowances and trim that one a little bit more. So grading is going one step more than trimming. Your 2 trims are uneven.